Be sure to go over chest and hips side to side. Links in the description below. Let's go and work on the chest and hips. Lower the knees and we work side to side. Chest to the left, hip to the right. Yeah, feel the stretch. 6, 7 and switch. 1, 3, 5, 7. Switch again. 1, 3, 5, 7. Again. 1, 3, 5, 7. Again. You can close your eyes and feel the stretch. 5, 7. Again. 1. And let's go faster. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Switch. 5, 6, 7. Switch. 1. And switch. 5. And switch. Last time. 2, 3. And switch. Let's go slow again. Let's go. 1, 3. Stay. 5, 7. Other side. 1, 3, 5, 7. And switch. 1, 3, 5, 7. Switch again. 1. You can close your eyes and feel it deeper. 5, 7. Switch. 1, 3, 5, 7. Again. 1. And let's get ready to do it faster. Are you ready? Yeah, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Switch. 5, 6, 7. Switch. 1, 2, 3. Switch. 5, 6, 7. Switch. 1, 3 and switch. Yes, doing great. Give yourself a big smile and let's move on. We'll prep with chest to the right, hip to the left, and then switch. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Prep. 1, 2, 3. Prep. 1. Prep. 1. Let's go again. Prep. 1, 2, 3. Prep. 1. Now faster. Let's go. 1, 3, 5, 7. Again. 1, 3, 5, 7. Last time. 1, 3, 5, 7. Yeah. Practice makes progress. Now we'll prep with chest to the left, hips to the right, and then switch. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Prep. 1, 2, 3. Prep. 1. Prep. 1. Let's go again. Prep. 1. Prep. 1 and now faster. Let's go. 1, 3, 5, 7. Again. 1, 3, 5, 7. Last time. 1, 3, 5, 7. Yeah, and remember, repetition is the mother of skill. So let's do it again. Now we'll go side, neutral, and side. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Neutral. 5, 6, 7. Neutral. 1, 2, 3. Neutral. 5, 6, 7. Neutral. 1. Neutral. 5. Let's go faster. Neutral. 1. Neutral. 5. Neutral. 1. Neutral. 5. Again. 1, 3, 5, 7. Last time. 1, 3, 5, 7. Slow again. 1, 2, 3. Neutral. 5, 6, 7. Neutral. 1, 2, 3. Neutral. 5. Neutral. 1, 2, 3. Neutral. And fast again. Let's go. 1 and 3 and 5 and 7. Again. 1. Neutral. 3. Neutral. 5, 7. Last time. 1, 3, 5, 7. Yes, well done. Thank you for joining me. Don't miss the master tip. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and consider subscribing if you want to get at least 3 new videos every week on footwork, body isolation and space. Check the description for links to all playlists. And remember, practice isn't the thing you do once you're good. It is the thing you do that makes you good. So keep practicing, and maybe even get your own t-shirt or sweatshirt. And if you're wondering why I put my heart and soul into these tutorials for you, for free, always for free, let me tell you my story. Master tip of the day. Close your eyes and imagine your chest touching your hips from the side. It will help you get deeper into the movement.